Few months back I did the unboxing of Artillery Genius Pro 3D printer and today I have elder brother of that printer. So namaskar mitro, welcome back to our channel. Today in this video of mine we are going to do the unboxing and review of Artillery Sidewinder X2. So let's begin. So assembly was so easy and I took less than 10 minutes in assembly process. Now let's talk about the specification of this 3D printer. It is made up of aluminum and plastic. The print volume of this printer is 300 x 300 x 400 mm. It comes with color touch screen display, auto bed leveling, power failure detection, filament runout detection and many other features. Now let's unbox the box of filaments. So these are the filaments that I got from Artillery 3D. If you want to buy these filaments, then check description. Finally, it is the time to print some object with this printer. So let's do this. As you can see guys, the print quality of this printer is very nice. If you want to buy this printer, then check description. If you enjoyed the content of this video, then consider subscribing our channel for more such videos like this. That is it for today guys. Till then, Jai Hind.